Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll see common mistakes that people make when designing bedrooms and how to fix them. We will discuss color, furniture, layout, headboards, textures, carpet, bedding, and more. If you're new to my channel, I'm ZAHIRA. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on the upcoming interior design lessons. Okay, the first mistake I want to talk about is the bedroom's color. Many of us love vibrant tones, but its non-color impacts our mood and emotions. Intense colors such as red, yellow, orange, and rich green are beautiful, but inappropriate for spaces where we need a calming and relaxing feel. In your bedroom, opt for warm or cool neutrals, or tones inspired by nature that we are used to seeing in large quantities, such as soft green or blue, pale lilac, or dusty pink. If you like intense colors and there is no way you can live without them, use them in muted tones and use them through small elements such as cushions, blankets, or accessories, but never for the walls or big furniture. Using soft or neutral colors as dominant tones makes your bedroom truly relaxing and makes it look timeless and elegant. You can use a pop of color to follow your style and personality, but don't overdo it. Another common mistake is to have nightstand either too high or too low for the bed. The bedside tables must be at an appropriate height. It's essential that you can grab or put objects by stretching your arm without much effort. The ideal bedside table height will depend on your bed, including the legs and the mattress. A standard height is that the bedside table doesn't exceed the mattress by more than 4 inches. Before buying your nightstand, measure the height of your bed because the ideal table will depend on your bed's height. This is especially important if you have minimalist or Japanese-inspired furniture, which tends to be very low. Another mistake is not having a focal point to emphasize the bed's headboard. We talk about emphasis and focal points in this video. A focal point is the crucial and most important point of the room that should grab your attention immediately. In a bedroom, the main focus is the bed. You must find a way to make it stand out. For example, you can have a striking headboard. You can cover the back wall with wallpaper or paint it in a contrasting tone. You can cover the wall with wood or have a gallery wall behind the bed. Focal points are essential to creating balance and interest in a room. Follow your style and make this point of the room stand out. Another mistake is believing that each side of the bed should be the same. I'm not saying that the symmetrical balance is bad. No. Of course not. It can be beautiful, but it's not the only option. It's not mandatory to buy the same table, lamp, and decor for each side. You can bet on the asymmetric balance and have a dresser or a nightstand on one side and a bench or flooring shelving on the other. This gives a much more relaxed look that goes well with styles such as Japandi, Scandinavian, warm minimalism, or bohemian. You can take advantage of this concept to have a unique and much more personal area for each individual on each side. Also, this allows you to use things you already have at home and combine them with new pieces. Ensure to keep both sides balanced. You can have a lot of stuff on one side and leave the other empty. You must have the right visual weight between both parts to make it feel balanced. Another mistake is not having an adequate window treatment to control light or privacy. In your bedroom, it's essential to have blackout curtains panels to block the external lighting at night. Having light pollution at night alters your circadian rhythm and can be a factor that affects your sleep, creating insomnia, increasing stress, and fatigue. The bedroom must be very dark so the body and mind can rest. You can opt for a double curtain rod or rail, with a curtain to filter the light and privacy during the day and another blackout panel for bedtime. If you have curtains but external lighting still enters your bedroom, you can fix it by including blackout roller blinds. There are many options that allow you to have the ideal environment for rest and privacy. Choose the one that best suits your lifestyle and space. By the way, in case you're in the process of hanging curtains, I have a whole video talking about curtain mistakes and how to fix them. I'll leave the link up here and in the description box below. There you'll learn everything you need to know to place your curtains like a pro. Another mistake is to have matching furniture that all comes from the same set. Even though it might be easier to buy it all together, having all matching furniture doesn't allow you to express your personality. It's not adapted to your needs and doesn't allow the room to look modern because you're not mixing shapes, textures, and colors, which is fundamental for a high-end and elegant interior design. Combining furniture is essential in any room because it makes the space feel authentic, unique, creative, and modern. Another mistake is having a lamp with direct light without a diffuser and with a cool lighting temperature. The incorrect use of artificial lighting can cause problems regarding the circadian rhythm, insomnia, and depression. All you need to do is change your light bulbs. In your bedroom, have lamps with screens to soften the light, preferably positioned at eye level. Place the lamp on the nightstand, dresser, or wall at a similar height. Never use bulbs with a cool color temperature. You should always have warm neutral light to give an atmosphere similar to the sunset. Guys, I must tell you that the long-term effect of making this mistake can be chaotic for many people. This is not a matter of perception, it's something physical, scientific, and proven. If you want to learn more about lighting design, I recommend that you watch these two videos. There you'll find everything about lighting design, color temperature, how to select lamps, and a free guide to light up your home like a pro. I leave all the links in the description box below. Another common mistake is having a small rug. Many people tend to put rugs at the end of the bed, but the rug should be the first thing your feet touch when you get out of bed. Use a large rug that extends under the bed or 2 runner rugs on each side. Ensure the rug extends at least 20 inches on each side of the bed. Pick a soft and comfy texture because it's the first thing you'll feel every morning. Another mistake is not having layered texture, especially on the bed. Take advantage of your bedspreads to add textures such as velvet or linen. Use cushions and blankets in fabrics that contrast with your bedspreads. Make your bed look and feel warm and comfy. Another mistake that many people make is not leaving enough space for circulation and to move around and be able to open drawers or closet doors comfortably. Leave enough space around the bed, between 25 to 35 inches, so you can move around and use your bedroom with ease. A common mistake is not following your personality when designing and decorating your bedroom. It's perfect to look for references, but don't copy a bedroom literally. You have to follow your personality, especially in this intimate and personal room. Follow your taste, focus on the type of space and relaxation you seek. Use a soft color palette that you like, choose textures that you find pleasing to the eye and touch, and follow a style that makes you feel welcome every time you get home. No matter if it's Japandi, glam, classic, bohemian, minimalist, there isn't a right or wrong style for a bedroom. Just choose the right one for you and your personality. We already talked about vibrant colors. Another similar mistake is using bold patterns and mixing too many without coordination. You can use prints, of course, but avoid vivid patterns with a lot of visual noise that can saturate the composition of the bedroom, especially for large areas or big elements such as curtains or wallpaper. Opt for prints with organic shapes and soft colors that allow you to establish a relaxed and calm vibe. Another common mistake is choosing a bed size that is too large for the room. In a bedroom design, we must ensure that the scale and proportion of the furniture are adequate for the room's dimensions. It is essential that the bedroom feels light and uncluttered because this gives a feeling of calm and serenity, especially when we talk about a small bedroom. Ensure that you have space for the nightstands on each side of your bed and that you can walk comfortably and access the bed from both sides. If not, maybe the bed may be too big for the room. Choose a bed that allows you to have between 25 and 35 inches around the perimeter. To maximize the use of the room, make sure the bed is against the longest wall in the bedroom. Another mistake is to block natural light with furniture and, in most cases, with the headboard. If you can fix your layout to unblock any window or door, I recommend that you do it. If you don't have any other alternative and you have to cover a window with the bed, I recommend that you opt for low headboard or bed base to not block the entry of natural light. Remember, natural light is necessary to purify the bedroom. If you have curtain panels on the window behind the headboard, leave enough space so that the curtain panels fall smoothly. Be delicate when choosing and combining the colors and textures of the curtains and the headboard. These must look good together. Another common mistake is having trendy bedding that doesn't flow with the bedroom decor. Avoid bed covers with motifs or patterns that don't go with your decoration or that have a design that can go out of style quickly. High quality bedding is not cheap, which is why I recommend investing in bedding without flashy prints or vibrant colors. When buying bedding, choose timeless design with soft or neutral tones and subtle prints. Bedding with a simple design is an elegant and timeless option that combines and looks great in any season and at any time. If you want to add patterns or colors, it's better to do it through small pieces such as cushions or blankets. This is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's design lesson. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss the upcoming design lesson. Have a beautiful week. See you in the next one.